any of you fellas ever have a need to rebuild your chainsaw carburetor, for about 20 bucks or less, you can get this little rebuild kit down at your lawnmower shop, or if you know what you're looking for, you can get it at Home Depot, someplace like that. And it comes with an assortment of different replacement items. What I've done on mine wasn't that dirty. It just had a bunch of deteriorated plastic gas lines in it. I cleaned all that out with brake clean. I didn't go the carburetor cleaner route. And anyhow, when you pull the stuff off, I just put it in the order it come off. And the cover, the diaphragm, and the gasket, there's the old one, and here's the new one. There's the old metering rod and spring stuff. Here's the new. So this is going to replace that in the same order. And then on the other side, your fuel pump, you got your metal cap come off the carb. Here's the old fuel pump diaphragm and the old gasket and little strainer screen. And down here is the same. Now mine gave me two gaskets that looked identical, except one's white and one's black. This one's a little bit more of the material denseness or whatever of the original, so I'm going to go with this one instead of that. There's my little screen replacement. The kit also gives you other items, I surmise, for other carburetors. They just kind of throw it all into one. I won't be able to use any of this stuff. But anyhow, if your chainsaw breaks down and you want to fix the carb for 20 bucks or less instead of 60 or more, if you take it down there and have them do it, just do this.